today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to do the perfect Pilates bridge. Hi everyone, I'm Gabby and welcome back to TaylorToned. On my channel, there is loads of follow along 30-minute full body barre and Pilates inspired workouts. So head back there after you've finished watching this. This exercise is great for strengthening up your glutes, your hamstrings and your core. Let's get straight into the exercise. You're going to start by lying yourself down on towards your mat. I want you to bring your heels up towards your glutes, up to your butt, and you want to bring your legs in line with your hips. Bend through the knees, soles of the feet on the floor. Pop the hands around the waist. Now as you lift up, you're going to come to a 90-degree angle between the bottom of your leg and the top of the leg. So find a breath, inhale in. As you exhale, sequentially peel the spine off the floor, push the hips up towards the sky, and then you're going to squeeze your butt together, lifting the hip bones and the pubic bone up towards the sky. Keeping the head on the floor, eye line towards the ceiling, and the crown of the head extends. Find a breath in, find a breath, exhale. As you lower down, you're going to sequentially, really controlled, unwind and roll through the vertebrae, lowering the sit bones, the hips on towards the floor. As I said, this exercise is really great for your glutes, your butt muscles and your hamstrings. Few common mistakes with this one. When you lift up, you're doing it really abruptly, so I'm not going to do it because I'm going to damage my back, but you just lift up really abruptly and that will damage your lumbar spine. Not a wrong thing, but you can have your feet too far away from yourself. The further your feet are away from yourself, the more you're going to make this hamstring dominant. So your hamstrings are these muscles at the back of the leg. So the further the feet are away, the more hamstring dominant it is. The more you walk the feet in, the more you're going to really target in towards those glutes. Another common mistake with this one is having your hips unlevel or uneven. When you're up in the position, keep your eye line towards the ceiling. You want to spread your shoulder blades across the mat, making sure your upper spine is still on the mat and your hips are lifted. If you want a workout that incorporates the Pilates bridge, head back to my homepage, join my mailing list and you will receive a free workout plan. Hit that subscribe button and I will see you again very soon for another video. Bye!